Stand-a-na-na-na. Stand-a-na-na-na-na. Stand-a-na-na-na. I've been working so hard and can't get no raise of pay. Friday come is like the boss man, now remember me. Send on me dividends fast, ain't no make me get cross. Give me little piece of mass, it's just another day. Living in a Babylon is crucial. It's all about survival. Working 9 to 5 for just a minimum wage. It's another day. Living in a Babylon is crucial. It's all about survival. Working 9 to 5 for just a minimum wage. Work hard all weekend to survive, me even barely do it. Boss man I rob the food in everywhere me see it. Can't barely eat, me fed up every day me weep. Juveniles them in the street, I hunt them daily meal. Hand to mouth, east, west, north and west and south a drought. Yes, the struggle really tricky, this is not a joke. Mama pal, papa pal, pick me them a shout. Hungry they young, them want food, figure I'm out. What about the politician when the power now? Only when the election no come around. Poor people say them tired, we suffer now. Can't do it no more, it's just another day. Living in a Babylon is crucial. It's all about survival. Working 9 to 5 for just a minimum wage. It's another day. Living in a crazy world so crucial. It's all about survival. Working 9 to 5 for just a minimum wage. Graduate from college with me subjects and me even get a book. You know see it say your system shake up. It no fair when the fees have to pay and the bills can't add up. You say when a style we are scruff. Without a them you turn a prostitute and give the youth them gun fi bus. And gunman put them in a handcuff. Hey Babylon your judgment has sum up. Your system get one up. No care the rain of me see the dirty duff. Survival of the one by your knees. But are you alone want it hard cause your heart full of greed. The youth them not the slum tired fi weep. You better best believe. Say you and you feel the system a go fall.